Bachelor of Vocational Food Processing Technology is a specialized vocational course that provides knowledge and skills related to the food processing industry. Graduates of this program have a wide range of career opportunities in various sectors. Here are some potential career paths for Bachelor of Vocational Food Processing Technology graduates. 1. Food Technologist. As a food technologist, you would be involved in developing and improving food products, ensuring their quality and safety. This includes researching and developing new food processing techniques, analyzing nutritional content, and conducting quality control tests. 2. Quality Assurance Manager. In this role, you would be responsible for implementing and maintaining quality standards and procedures in food processing facilities. Your job would involve conducting audits, inspections, and ensuring compliance with food safety regulations. 3. Food Safety Inspector. As a food safety inspector, you would be responsible for inspecting food processing plants, restaurants, and other food establishments to ensure compliance with health and safety regulations. You would examine food samples, conduct inspections, and provide recommendations for improvement. 4. Production Supervisor. This role involves overseeing the production process in a food processing plant. You would coordinate with workers, monitor production lines, ensure adherence to quality standards, and optimize production efficiency. 5. Research and Development (R&D) Scientist. R&D scientists in the food processing industry work on developing new food products, improving existing products, and finding innovative solutions. They conduct experiments, analyze data, and collaborate with cross-functional teams to bring new ideas to the market. 6. Food Packaging Technologist. Packaging plays a crucial role in the food industry, and as a food packaging technologist, you would work on designing and developing packaging solutions that maintain food quality and extend shelf life. You would consider factors such as safety, convenience, and sustainability. 7. Food Supply Chain Manager. This role involves managing the movement of food products from the point of production to the point of consumption. You would oversee logistics, inventory management, distribution, and ensure timely delivery while maintaining product quality and safety. 8. Food Consultant. As a food consultant, you could work independently or with consulting firms, providing expertise and guidance to food processing companies. You would advise on product development, process optimization, quality control, and regulatory compliance. 9. Entrepreneur. With the knowledge and skills gained from the Bachelor of Vocational Food Processing Technology program, you could start your own food processing business. This could involve manufacturing food products, establishing a processing plant, or offering specialized food processing services. 10. Quality Control Analyst. Quality control analysts play a crucial role in ensuring the quality and safety of food products. They perform tests and analysis on raw materials, intermediate products, and finished goods to detect any deviations from standards and recommend corrective actions. These are just a few examples of the career opportunities available to B.Voc. Food Processing Technology graduates. The food processing industry is vast and diverse, offering a wide range of roles and possibilities for specialization.